Welcome to Booze on the Rocks, where we make cocktails for everyone. My name is David Edwards, and it's great to have you here today. We're going to make the Solarium cocktail. Now, this is a gorgeous layered drink that was created by Pranthik Samal, and you can find him on Instagram as the part-time mixologist. Now, having said that, this is an interesting drink that's served long style. And no, I have not been drinking, but the cocktail looks fantastic and I haven't tried it yet. So let's get into this. Now, because this is a shaken cocktail, grab yourself a shaking vessel. And we're going to start this off with a rich syrup, AKA a rich simple syrup or rich sugar syrup. And that's 2 parts sugar to 1 part water. Heat it up until it goes clear and away you go. And we need ½ ounce or 15 mils. Your second ingredient is citrus juice. In this case, we need 2 types of juice. We need a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of orange juice. Use whatever orange you want. If you're going to use a lime juice, use a little bit less. So what we'll do is we will cut each of these in half. And once you've actually done that, we will cut ourselves a slice from each just for the garnish. Put those off to the side. And what we'll do now is we will measure out and squeeze a total of 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of lemon juice and pour that into the glass. Once you've added your lemon juice, what we will do is the exact same thing literally. We will squeeze a total of 1 ounce of orange juice. And again, use whatever type of orange juice you want. And then you'll just pour that directly into the glass as well for a total of 30 mils. Your next ingredient will just amp the orange up a little bit by using an orange liqueur. In this case, I'm using dry curacao, meaning it's going to be a little bit lighter on the sugar than if you say use something like a triple sec. But we don't need a lot. We only need ½ ounce or 15 mils. Our next ingredient will actually build the depth of flavor for this cocktail. And for this, we're using Peychaud's bitters. Not only will we get a fantastic color, but we get a great flavor to this. And we need a total of 8 dashes. And you know, this looks like a fantastic cocktail all on its own. And I would very likely stop right here, except we're not done yet. So what we're going to do is we are going to add some ice. And we need crushed ice. And I'm not going to fill the glass up all the way because I'm going to do what's known as a short shake. So we're going to shake this for maybe 5 seconds. Because this is using crushed ice, you don't want to over dilute it. And I'm just going to make sure that I've got a good seal because last time it nearly fell apart on me. All right, pop that back off with the strength of 8 dashes of bitters. And what we will do now is we will add a fancy upright glass. So we're going to fill this up with a bunch of ice. And what you want to do is just get it literally to the top because you're going to get some compression and some immediate dilution once you go to pour everything in. And you don't need to fine strain this because it's crushed ice. So what we want to do is we actually want to use the Hawthorne strainer. So what you want to do after you've done this is we're just going to add a little bit more ice just to sort of bring that level up a bit to the top. And then we are going to top this with our Empress 1908 gin. Now this is butterfly pea flower infused gin, which has a fantastic floral taste. And if there's a lot of citrus being mixed with it, it changes colors. But what we need is a total of 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Oh, look at the color. Absolutely gorgeous. So what we're going to do now is grab our lemon and our orange half circles. We'll slide them in just like so. And this is your Solarium. I really can't think of anything that looks quite like this. Wow. Let's give it a drink. Really good. So immediately you get a little bit of orange, a little bit of lime, and you get a little bit of that smokiness and flavor directly from the bitters itself. But oh yeah, and then when it tops off with the gin, absolutely fantastic. If you like this style of layered cocktail, take a look after the recipe right here.